Okay, so good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
We have given messages and many time to each other, but finally we are going to talk today.
Oh, that's good.
So first of all, I want to know about you. So please introduce yourself, and then we'll talk related different topics. Okay.
Okay, so my name is Aarna Shukla. I'm 8 years old. I study in class third. I live in Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, and I study in a public school.
Oh, that's great. And should I also tell my intro?
Yes, please.
Okay, so my name is Jitendra Kumar from Uttar Pradesh. And if I talk about my qualification, I've completed engineering in civil stream. And currently, I have been teaching in a private school. And my hobbies are reading, listening, and interacting with different people like you. And that's all about me and my intro. So I want to
And
know.
this is all about me and my intro also.
Okay, so I want to know by you. I have watched many time your videos that you speaks in a in British accents. So how did you learn and how do you speak like that? Could you please tell me a little bit because I also want to learn.
I learned British accents by watching some YouTube channels, and I also watched one YouTube channel which teach me that the five sounds where everyone struggles with when they do the British accent.
Oh, so
But I
please.
wasn't but I wasn't struggle that time.
Oh, so how did you completed it? Will you tell me how do I struggle? How do I practice?
To practice, just remember the five sounds to make to sound the British accent and the four steps to sound the British accent.
Yes. Tell me.
First, the five sounds.
Yes, five sound okay.
The first sound is
Uh,
yes
uh,
uh yes
uh. Yes. And next,
The next first I explain the first one, so you can also practice it.
okay. Uh,
Yes, first we see the word like example nurse,
nurse.
and it's a thinking sound and then put an N
Uh,
at the first and then
nurse.
S at
Nurse.
the at the end to make it go nurse nurse
Nurse.
nurse.
Nurse. Am I speaking right? Nurse.
Yes, yes, nurse.
Yes.
And then the second one is O. O.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes. O.
Yes. Oh.
Yes. O.
Okay. And I want to know about your family background.
Well, my mother is a nursing officer and my father is a pharmacist.
Thomas. So who told you to learn English to speak English? Is your mother or father?
My parents both.
Both. So where did you learn it? Did you join any coaching center or any institute, or only just from YouTube channel and as well?
Only watching YouTube channels.
Oh, watching YouTube channels. That's great thing. You have achieved uh, how to speak in British language, and now you are telling also on your YouTube channels. You are sharing you are conveying your message to other person. So
And,
it's a great thing.
and one achievement I got is when I was 3 years old, I have learned the world capitals and
Oh,
and the continents and the countries. I also made a video about it. You can search it in my YouTube channel. And this
okay. I
was a
will
really
definitely watch.
good achievement for me.
Oh, that great thing. but I will definitely watch your videos of continents and states and whatever you uploaded.
Okay.
Okay. So what are you doing right now? You are studying in class 3 and you go to college or you go to school in public school. So how does environment of there? How is environment of school and what is environment of your family? And I mean to say that in your home or in your house. So please tell me something.
In my in my family, my grandparents don't know English at all, and my parents if school is an English medium school, but still some of the students they only know Hindi, and some of us students only know English.
So do you speak in Hindi language or English language in your school?
Well, in Hindi period, I speak Hindi. Rest of the periods English.
Oh. But one thing I would like to tell you about me, I am a village boy, and in spite of living in village side or in rural areas, I also speak English language. And whenever I get opportunity to talk with any person, then I speak in both language, Hindi language as well as English language. And my
Oh,
family background is also not, they are not well educated. My father is only educated, but my mother is not educated. So but they don't know how to speak English, they don't know how to uh, react in English. So but in spite of not having well background, or you can say that English background, so I can speak English also.
oh. And now may I continue with what I was teaching you?
Okay, sorry. Okay, continue.
Thank you. So the third one is
Oh,
yes,
okay.
ah.
Ah,
Think about a choir and the conductors in front of you, and all make a beautiful ah.
oh,
Yes.
yes. For example,
For example,
fa,
father, ka.
father,
Yes,
father.
yes.
Yes. Okay. And next,
And then eh, eh,
a. Example,
like air,
a, a, a,
eh.
a.
And bed.
Bed.
And then the last one is e,
E,
e. Yes,
e,
yes, e.
e, e.
No, not e, and then a schwa. E, e.
Yeah, e.
Yes, e.
Am I right?
Good. Yes, you're right. Now,
Okay, example,
for example, e,
e,
we,
we,
and b.
we.
Yes, good. And now the 4 steps to sound brush.
Oh, tell me.
The first, and do you want to note it down? The steps I would like to tell.
Yes. A, O, and next E,
Uh, and
uh,
uh, and then the steps. And let me tell you the steps also. Is
okay.
the first step is to drop your R's.
Yes.
This
Okay.
step is similar to the first sound
Uh,
Yes, like car,
Ka,
word, and person.
person, person,
Person, person.
person, person.
Yes. When an R comes after a vowel, it becomes silent.
Oh,
And then the second one is to close your vowels.
close you. Yes. Tell me.
Like this. It's not all, it's all. All.
Or, or,
Yes. Got,
God,
and thought.
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 Thought. Thought.
Yes, thought. Good. And then the third one is to initiate your T's. Like
Okay.
this. It's not little, it's little. Little.
Little.
Yes, little. And
Little.
yes, good. And then the last one is to make our edges nice and crispy.
Okay.
Like this. Hello, Harry. Have you bought a new hat?
Hello, Harry. Have you bought any new hat?
Yes.
So, am I doing right?
Yes, you can make our edges crispy as we can.
Oh. Hello, Harry. Have you bought any car?
Good. So I have some questions I need to ask you.
Okay. Ask.
So why does English fascinate you?
Actually, it is my childhood dream, and I have seen many people who speaks English. They get promotion in their life, and they go outside of their country. I have seen both person, well educated and not educated person. So when a well educated person, who are well educated person, and they do any kind of job in any company organizations, they get opportunity to grow their life in that field. And I have also seen the uneducated person who have gone outside of our country. They work there, but I think they don't have any kind of education. They don't know how to speak English. That's why they are not growing their life at in foreign country. So that's why many people have told me that you should learn English, and you should, if you know English, then you will definitely get promotion in any company or any organizations very soon. So it was also my dream to learn English, because I know people, if you speak English, if you don't know how to write English, you don't know how to write English. But if you know English, if you know how to speak English and how to interact and communicate with people, then people will understand you. You are a well educated person. So somewhere I have seen that if you speak English, if you interact in English, then people will definitely appreciate you, and you will not be you can say that you will not be assumed as a fool. But if you speak English, then you will be known as a well educated person. So, and it is a it is a global language, so it is used in across the country. So I think that I it helped me, and it generates to passionate about English to me.
Oh, and the one thing is the English can be also spoken in different accents.
Yes, I know very you can say that you will not be assumed as a fool. But if you speak English, then you will be known as a well educated person. So, and it is a it is a global language, so it is used in across the country. So I think that I it helped me, and it generates to passionate about English to me.
Oh, and the one thing is the English can be also spoken in different accents.
Yes, I know very well, but I'm unable to speak in different accents. Just I also am eager to learn a British language, a British accent and American accent. But right now, just I'm focusing to get fluency in English speaking. After that, I will definitely learn British accent and American accent as well.
But first you have to learn the British accent, then the American.
Okay, okay, I will definitely do. Before 3 or 4 days, I was just watching your videos, and you were telling these kind of step what you have told to me. before 4 minutes ago. So I thought that I should also learn British accents. Maybe I will get opportunity to go outside of our country. I mean to say that in UK, in London, in England. So definitely, if I will be able to speak in British accent, then it will be very beneficial and very comfortable for me.
Oh. And one is the one.
Okay.
Why is English the most important in our daily lives?
So I have told you recently that if you know English, people will appreciate you. Definitely will appreciate you. You are not a you are not a well-educated person, but you will be definitely mentioned as a well-educated person. Okay, and you know it is widely spoken across the country, not only in our country but across the world. You can say that, and you know how to speak your regional language. But you know in India, different there are many places where people speak only their regional language. So in spite of speaking regional language, they cannot perform well. You know, if you go outside of your states, I mean to you are living right now in Madhya Pradesh, but if you go or visit in Tamil Nadu or Kerala, then you will get to know that they speak in Tamil language. But if you know how to speak English, then definitely you can communicate very easily. So I think that it provide good things. If you really know about English language, then you can manage there. But if you not able to speak, if you are not comfortable to speak in English, then you have to learn their regional language, and sometimes you will have to face many difficulties while talking, while communicating with people of a different region. So
Oh,
that's why I think that's it is very important for each and everyone. I think being a student and being a teacher, it is my responsibility and duty to understand and to speak English. Okay, I think that one question I would like to ask to you.
okay.
What's your future plan? What's your ambition?
Well, so my future plan is to, when I grow up, I would like to be an IELTS officer. That's what you were
Oh,
asking, right? That was
oh,
my
IELTS
goal.
officer. Okay, that's really wonderful and great ambition that you have planned for for your future, for your life.
Oh, that's good.
So, do you have any other questions to ask to me?
Okay, maybe let's just wrap up the session. I need to do the next conversation.
Okay. So have a good day.
You have a good day too. Bye.
Okay, bye.